Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm going to be walking you through the steps on how to factory reset and hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. Since you see right here that this device has a passcode, we're going to force shut off the device, and I will show you how to do that, and you want to follow the steps very careful in order for this to work. So you want to press the two buttons, the power and the volume down key. Once the device is off, release the volume down and press the power and the up key. So let's go ahead and do that really quick, and you will see on the video how to get it done. Press the volume and the power for about 5 seconds. When the device is off, release the down and press the up and keep holding the power. You want to keep holding right here until the recovery screen come up right here. Now you want to use the volume down key to navigate and scroll down to where it says wipe data factory reset. Press the power key to confirm. Then you want to scroll down to the second option, factory data reset. Press the power. And as you see right here, it's wiping everything. Once that is done, scroll down to where it says wipe cache partition. Press the power key, scroll down to yes. Once that is done, you can go ahead and reboot your device, and that's it. This is the end of my video for the day. If you found this video helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for your support, and I'll see you next time.